Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Safari and making sure you're signed into the account you're using now. Once Safari is active, quit or close any windows you don't want mixed into the new session, because private browsing opens a separate window. You're doing this so tabs, history, and auto-fill won't be stored. This matters for privacy or shared Macs. Next, move to the menu bar and prepare to open a fresh private window. That's your first real step in the process. You now open the private window using File then New Private Window, or press Shift-Command-N to be faster. Once done, make sure the Smart Search field looks darker and shows the private label. This visual cue tells you Safari is no longer saving history. You can open new tabs inside that window. Everything stays isolated from your regular browsing. If you sign into a site, cookies persist only for that session. After you close the window, Safari discards them to protect your privacy. To finish, simply close the private window. That action clears session data, cookies, and temporary storage. If you find history still appears, make sure you actually opened a private window, not just a regular one, and then disable any extensions that might log or sync browsing. You can also check Safari Preferences Privacy to confirm settings. If problems continue, sign out of iCloud or create a separate Mac OS user to isolate syncing, and test again to ensure privacy functions as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.